Hello guys, good afternoon. Today it is the day guys that we are going to make chicken meatballs. We have chicken breast in here. We're going to dice that one and then we're going to put in our food processor. And let's try it. Hello friends, so today is the next day, and if you remember that I thawed 4 pieces of chicken breast, and this morning I made chicken nuggets for the kids as Haley requested. So I will show you guys. I didn't show you all the process how I made it, but I'm going to show you next time. It is very easy and I will show you the outcome that I made. And I still have, so I made 2 chicken breasts only guys, then the other 2 chicken breasts I'm going to make meatballs, chicken balls guys, because I love to put the chicken balls, meatballs or fish balls guys in my soup as the weather is getting colder and colder, and it is the season of soup time again guys. Yeah, when it is cold we love to eat, drink something hot, and yeah, that's the purpose of the 2 chicken breasts that we are going to make the chicken balls guys. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make that. I saw the video on Facebook how this woman made the chicken meatballs, so we are going to follow that. As I have all the ingredients, and yeah, I am very happy to fill my freezer with lots of chicken balls guys. And now here is our chicken nugget guys from the 2 chicken breast. I converted the 2 chicken breasts into these slices. Yeah, and it is so good guys. I'm sure my kids, my husband, all of us will love this. The whole family loves this one guys, but I do in different way guys. Like I sliced into thin slices the chicken breast, not into these like bite, or yeah, this, not into this size guys. This is the first time that I made this size. I hope the kids still love it. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today it is the day guys that we are going to make chicken meatballs, and I found this recipe on Facebook and I captured the ingredients. So I have all the ingredients except the chicken powder. I don't have that, and we are not using chicken powder. That's the only ingredient that I don't have, and now I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. Alright, we have chicken breast in here. We're going to dice that one and then we're going to put in our food processor, and we're going to make minced chicken. We also have these patties or fish sauce. We have spring onions, carrot. We also need baking powder, egg. This egg guys is from our chicken. We also have garlic powder and also black pepper, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and half a cup of our maizena or cornstarch, and then after that salt, and yeah, that's it guys. So, and I'm not going to talk maybe guys, I will just show it to you how I make it, or maybe I will explain it every now and then, but because it's late in the afternoon, so I'm going to just work, and then maybe I'm going to put voiceover, yes, while editing. And if I don't explain it well a lot, maybe I'm going to put voiceover and explain it everything guys, how I make it, because we're going to make the sauce as well, because it is really good. Actually, I haven't tried this recipe yet, and it is my first time to make it, so I hope and I pray and crossing my fingers to this recipe will become a successful one. Alright, now it is time to slice or dice our chicken breast, and then we will put that into our food processor, and we're going to mince these chicken breasts. And now it's time to mince our chicken breast. Yapet.
Uy mo! Sige, Jay.
One large egg, 1 teaspoon garlic. This is garlic, guys. 1 teaspoon. Alright, so 1 teaspoon garlic. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. And 2 teaspoon salt. 2 teaspoon baking powder. 2 tablespoon patis or fish sauce. 2. I added already, guys, the carrot and now the egg. The egg and now the all-purpose flour. Alright, guys, so guys, we have to chop these spring onions. Oh wow, so nice. And now let's put our gloves. Yes. Alright, so let's use our hands. Ooh. Because I have the gloves big size, guys, large size, because my husband can use it as well. Okay, and now the cornstarch. I am holding it. The smell is so good. OMG. Oh my gosh, it is. I should put oil, guys, with this. It's a disaster. Have to put oil, maybe. Wait, olive oil. So it won't stick, but it's still sticking. OMG. Alright guys, so I use my hand because it is so sticky guys. So these globes, it didn't work. So I am using my hand. And I wash my hand thoroughly because I know that I'm going to touch this food. So I am heating now guys the water. So we're going to pass this into the water. Let's make a bowl and then we will pass it into a boiling water, and then after that we're going to take it out and then we can fry it. And if I want to freeze it guys, I will just leave it and cool it down, and then once it's cool, then I'm going to put in the freezer. So whenever I want to fry fish bowl, whenever I want to fry chicken balls, then I will just take it out, thaw, and then ready to fry. Or if I want to eat soup, then I will just throw into the soup, and then voila, I have chicken meatballs. Alright guys, the water is boiling and now we're going to boil this. Oh wow, it's nice. Yeah, I love it. Can you see guys, it is now golden brown. Okay guys, so I just finished frying and also making the sauce or the gravy, and OMG, it's so good. So this is the sauce guys that I made. This one is without onion and without chili, as the kids want to eat if it is so spicy. So I separated mine. This one is with onion and chili, and let's try it. I have it here. Let's try. It reminds me guys the street food in the Philippines. So good. And I put chili too, a slice of chili. Just nice. Just like I'm eating for dinner already. It's spicy a little bit, but I can take it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Hope to see you again very soon. Bye.